goes. Come on, SOXL, break that $23. I've got a trailing stop on that. Intel sitting here. 5-cent trailing stop on Intel.
And Google just pulled.
Thank you. 5-cent trailing stop. There goes Intel with a nice pop.
NVIDIA pop VWAP coach and
Yep,
green EWO.
SOXL just blasted off. Intel's blasting off. Look at that.
Microsoft still dropping.
My gosh, thank you. Woo! Holy crap. Look at SOXL and Intel.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that just cleared my account right back up. I'm now up $1,400 with those two.
Sheesh.
Coach, AT&T is also still running.
Look at SOXL. It is a rocket ship. Changing my trailing stop on SOXL to 5. Who's in SOXL?
Yes, sir.
Coach.
I am.
Right here.
It just got stopped. Okay.
7 candles.
There we go. I'm up $1,200 for the day. See?